Hello, Vasilius here, creator of the Great Curve channel, which is basically a daily log of UFOs that hang out over my house. How crazy is that? That's all this channel is going to be. I'm going to try to get 3 videos up a night, at least 2. This is new. If anybody's been following me, obviously not that many people because I haven't advertised, but I haven't really had a plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a video and I'm going to post it as soon as I can after I take it. It's going to be kind of weird, mess up my system and everything because, you know, it's obviously from dusk till dawn that they're out there. Not obviously. They are out there from dusk to dawn, folks. I cannot see them in the daytimes except I have a couple times, but they were ready to go into hiding at like 5 o'clock in the morning. But anyways, watch all the videos before. They're not as organized as it's going to be. And these aren't going to be the best quality of videos right now because I'm just kind of going to throw them up there. But it's going to get better in time. And I want you guys to enjoy seeing a UFO. All you have to do is come to this channel and you can see a real life UFO that I just taken a video of. Like hopefully within 2 hours I can get a video up. I don't know, I'm new to all this stuff. So my pen name's Vasilius. It means William the Great King or something like that. Somebody told me something like that in Greek. So I've taken that as my pen name. I guess you can probably figure out what my first name is with that. I'll leave it to you guys. So here we go. Please watch all of the other videos at your leisure, but this is the beginning. I know I gotta get a thumbnail in there to tell you guys what it's about. And I need to explain what each video is going to be about before you guys watch it. So basically I'm explaining it right now, but I'm going to give it in a smaller version before every video. Like I just did. It's video of live UFOs. I don't know how else to explain it. I've been watching these since May. Watch the other videos. You'll get a better explanation. And you'll get a better explanation as you watch these videos that I am going to be posting. I'm going to be talking about the past as well. So, anyways, Vasilius is out. And I'm going to try to post the video I just took like 20 minutes ago. Okay, thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe. I don't know. I'm only putting this up there so that people can enjoy seeing a real-life video of a real-life UFO. I mean, not real-life video. A video of a real-life UFO that was just taken. So anyways, over and out. You're going to be hearing more from me if you keep watching the channel, obviously. Thank you very much for coming. And one more thing. I don't know if haven't found anybody else that sees UFOs every day. Like I do, like I am right now, in history. So what I'm trying to do is figure out certain patterns that they make and slowly try to figure out how the hell to communicate with them. They're obviously peaceful. They've been with me since the beginning of May, and you know, weird things happen, but I haven't been threatened once. Nope. So this is a peace